Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 8 of marching through my minis. I am loving this. I can't believe I've done it since December. In March, I am bringing $8 a day. Today is day 8, and I have my $8 here. And we are going through all of our mini stash that I have, and I'm excited to jump in, take a minute to figure out what I'm doing. All right, I have $8 worth of prop coins to match the $8 that I'm bringing in. So we will save with this tonight. I made each little spot on my savings challenges 25 cents. So we are working 25 cents at a time, $8 a day, and we are going to see what we can save by the end of the month and how many challenges we can complete, because my goal is to get through this stash of minis. And I want to show you what I've done so far because it looks pretty cool. I have to figure out what I did with my little stash. Here it is. I don't know if some of you remember what it looked like in December, but this whole thing was full and I had challenges sitting on top. So I am so happy with that. That is a little more than half, I would think. So I am doing a great job getting through my minis. I know in February I finished 59 of them. That is awesome. So I'm going to just do a little. There's not my green dye. Where's my green dye? Okay, now we're ready. All right, we are going to start on number 2. I hope you guys are doing well, having a good weekend. And we have 3 prop coins for number 2. I always like it when 3 gets 3, so let's see. Nope, 3 gets 2, but that's all right. Maybe next time. 1 for number 4. 1 for number 5. 1 for number 6. We're going to be here all day. 3 for number 7. 2 for number 8. And then we're going to go back to 1. And 1 for 1. 1 for 2. 3 for 3. Yay. 1 for 4. 3 for 5. 1, 2, 3. 1 for 6. 2 for 7. I have, I think, 3 left. And 3 will go to number 8. So we will start on number 1 tomorrow. Put that right in there. Get this scooched out of the way. All right, so number 1 really just got 25 cents. That's so sad. This one is from Hey K Budgets. So we are going to, it's the zombie avocados. Cracks me up every time. So we are going to do 1 box. And we will start here tomorrow. All right, number 2 got $1. And this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Wood. So we can do 4 boxes. So we can do 25, 50, 75, and $1. This will save us $3. Okay, so we got a 50. So we have 150 going into number 3. And number 3 is from Millennial Saver. So I am going to just going to do that because I X'd out that square because I wanted an even number and I wanted everything to just be 25 cents. So we can do 4, 5, 6 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this one is from the Millennial Saver. And we just need 50 cents to finish that one. All right, number 4 got 75 cents. 2 little coins. This one is from Kimmy's Corner. Shenanigans, because life is more fun when you are up to something. And we can, I don't know if we'll see that one. Let's get my darker green. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. Can't believe we're in March. St. Patty's Day is almost here. All right, number 5. Looks like number 5 got $1. And this one is from, I laugh every time I see that. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 25, 50, sorry for the squeak, 75, and $1. You're unforgettable. All right, and number 6 has 75 cents. This one is also from Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 3 books and candy. 1, 2, and 3. So cute. All right, number 7 has $1.25. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. There's a theme. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25. They are so bundled up. So cute. All right, and then last but not least, we have number 8, which looks like it got a lot. 50. So we have $1.50 for number 8. Oh, we just needed 50 cents. This one's from Vicky Thanks. So we did finish one today. So I'm going to color in these 2 boxes. I'll be right back. All right, so this one will save us $5. And we have $1 we get to put into something else. And I filled up my extras. So we have a bunch more in here. So let's see what this one is. Yoda one for me. Oh no, it doesn't have a name. Oh no. Did you make this one? I wonder, is this Saving with Sam or who else made Yoda ones? Oh, I'm not sure, but we have $1. So I'm just going to go 25, 50, 75, $1. Actually, let's just mark them this way too. So that started us off with $1, and it'll save us $4. Easy for me to say. So yay for finishing one. So let's go back up here. Let's put our prop coins away. Let's get our $5 out of the bank because we finished one. And then we'll go to the back, and I like to put all of my money into a completed envelope. And then at the end of the month, I will do a little left, right, center game and put it towards savings. Like I really liked doing spending money, shark binder, and bee binder. That worked out really well last month. So I think I'm going to do that again. So we are all set with day 7. Are we day 7? Day 8. We just did day 8. I don't know what I did with my little sticky note. There it is. Day 8. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. This was so fun. I hope you're saving along with me with whatever you can save. And it doesn't have to be daily, but it's been really fun to be able to do that every day, really since December. So I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.